Hey there, Agent from Groundhogg here. Really cool update for agencies. You can now create your own template sites and then ship templates on those sites to your clients in order to make installing Groundhogg for your clients just that much easier. For this, you're going to have at least our agency license or a WAS license, something with the white label plugin, and that way you can distribute your own custom templates for Groundhogg to your client's sites and on this page, like the ad funnel page. So that's pretty cool. And I'm going to show you the steps to do that. So again, requirements, got to have an agency or a WAS license, something with the white label add-on. You have to have the white label add-on installed on the client's site. And you have to have another site where you will be hosting your library or funnel templates. Ideally, this site is not a site that is actually in use by active customers. It's just another standalone site, library.mycustomdomain.something, and its sole use is going to be for distributing templates. You have to have WordPress installed on it, and you have to have Groundhogg as well as any of the add-ons or integrations you want installed on it as well. So in order to make this work, I already have a test site set up or a demonstration site set up for the purposes of this called Library, which is just hosted on my computer, but ideally you'd have this hosted on a hosting server. And what we need to do, the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up the wpconfig file for this site, which I have already open here. And you need to add this line where it says define is Groundhogg template site to true. What this is going to do is it is going to make the REST endpoints, the API endpoints for funnels and emails open and unprotected so that all of the client sites can query this site to get the templates. It's only going to give read access. It's not going to give any editing or publishing access, just the read access for those endpoints. Otherwise, they would be protected. So is Groundhogg template site true? And what we also want to do is on our library site, we want to get started with creating some actual templates. So this library site is pulling the default templates from Groundhogg's library site. And so I am just going to choose one. Let's say we want to ship a custom footer subscribe funnel. Click use template on that, and we'll just change it up a bit. Custom footer subscribe. Click on settings here and give it a description, and that's the description that will show on the add funnel screen. There we go. Save changes, close this window. And as you are editing and publishing new templates, or maybe you want to remove templates, the only templates that your customers will see are the ones that are actually active on the library site. So I can go ahead and activate this one, and now this template will show as an available template when your users are activating or adding new funnels, rather. And I can show you also, I also have another inactive funnel here, so custom free lead magnet. So this funnel is inactive, so it will not show on the add funnel screen. Only active funnels will show. So the next step of this is to take the root domain, including the HTTPS of the library site. And then we want to go over to the client site, to the settings, white label settings. Again, you have to have the white label plugin installed on the client site. And we want to put the URL of the root URL of our library site where it says template directory. And it'll pull email templates as well as funnel templates from this URL. Then we can go to the funnels, click on add new, and we can see our custom footer subscribe funnel there for us to use. I can click on use template, and it will import that custom footer subscribe funnel from our custom template directory. So that's pretty cool. This also works for the advanced email editor if you want to publish block-based email templates. The way you can do that is by going to your funnel or your library site. You want to enable the advanced email editor in order to be able to ship email templates. Let's go ahead and we'll add a new pro template. So this is the screen that we're going to be overriding. So we can say, let's create a custom appreciation email. We'll use that template and we'll just call it custom. So unlike the funnels where it's only going to pull active funnels, for the emails, what it's going to do is it's going to check to see if you have it saved as a template. So you want to make sure that this checkbox is enabled, save as template. And that's what's going to indicate to Groundhogg it's a template that we actually want to show to our users. And so now that we have that activated, we can go to emails in our client site. Oh, let's just make sure that the advanced email editor is turned on, which it's not. So let's go ahead and enable that quickly. We can then go to emails, add new, select Pro Templates. And there we go. We see our custom appreciation email as an shippable email template. So that is how agencies can now ship their own custom email and funnel templates to their users. So I think that's pretty cool. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Documentation is below.